morning, guys. I am unboxing my Antique Rose Emporium roses, and here we go. So I got this from Antique Rose Emporium in Texas, and they actually sell old roses from the late 19th century to the 18th century. So let's unbox it. So again, it's gonna come with your receipt, and it's gonna come with planting guide and planting instructions. So I bought Baronne, Prevost, and Variegrata di Bologna. So I'm gonna show you how they look like with their blooms. I'm not sure if I pronounced this correctly, so just excuse my pronunciation. The nice thing about this is they come potted for you. So if you are a first-time rose grower, I think it's safe to order them potted if you're scared about planting them in bare root. This is nicely packed, as you can see. Look at that. So usually when it's potted, sometimes the roses is quite smaller than the bare root rose. It's all sealed, and it's moist. It has a newspaper, and it has this plastic bag. So this one is, this is Baronne Prevost. Keep the wet newspaper on for the meantime. This one has leaves already. And this is Variegrata di Bologna, or Bologna, if I'm saying that correctly. So again, same package. When I ordered my David Austin roses that are potted, the first ones, I think I ordered them in the fall. And I think with Antique Rose, I guess you can order it anytime as long as they have stock. And it depends on where you are. Always Google what your zone is, your planting zone. That's very, very important. I am in Zone 7B here in New Jersey. So this one is the Variegrata di Bologna. Look, they have leaves. And The canes are quite smaller, but it's okay. It will grow. I also have another tip for you guys. Make sure that you keep your receipts, because, or take a photo of it on your phone, and including the gardening instructions and all that stuff. So you always have it on file. So if there's any issues whatsoever, the warranty depends on who is selling the roses. Sometimes they give you 90 days when you receive it, sometimes they give you a year. I know David Austin gives 5 years for the warranty on their roses. But always Google and find out and check the website of whoever you're buying it from, so you can get your money's worth. So the roses I got last year from Antique Rose Emporium was Belinda's Blush and Fragrant Bush. And I kept them in this 1 gallon pot for a month or a couple of months maybe. I wanted to settle in my environment, but you can certainly plant it right away. Just make sure that it's a bigger pot. It should be at least 16, 18, or 24 inches. And if you watch my other video on how to pot it, it's how to plant David Austin roses in pots. It's here on my channel. I did that last year, that video last year. I also planted bare root roses in the ground just recently. Those roses are from David Austin. And this is from Antique Rose Emporium. And this is not sponsored. I ordered this from them. But if you guys are new gardeners and you're scared about buying bare root roses, potted roses are always great to purchase. And you know, and I think it feels comfortable and not scary, because sometimes when you see a bare root rose, it looks scary to plant, especially if you're first time gardeners. But anyway, I hope this video helps. If you have any questions, just let me know on the link below. And again, thank you for watching. I really appreciate your time. And please like and please subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching The Styled Living. And this is Leah signing off. Peace out, everybody. Happy spring.